Unknown armed miscreants torched at least 9 houses and a church at Tokpa Naga village last night. The Liangmai Naga Council of Manipur (LNCM) strongly condemned the arson attack, alleging it was carried out by Kuki narco-terrorists. According to a reliable source, the incident occurred around 9:30 p.m. when the armed miscreants entered the village and set ablaze the structures. Residents from the nearby Thangal village later arrived and attempted to contain the arson. While they managed to extinguish the flames and prevent them from spreading further, at least 9 houses were completely reduced to ashes. Meanwhile, the LNCM expressed deep concern over the role of nearby security forces, questioning why they failed to intervene despite being stationed just meters away. Terming the incident a grave act of violence against innocent civilians and a place of worship, the council demanded an impartial, time-bound investigation into both the arson and the potential negligence of the security personnel. It also urged the government to reinforce security deployment to protect civilian lives and provide immediate relief and financial compensation to the displaced families.